Did you know that a whopping 70% of our immune system is located in our gut? That's right. Our immune health plays a huge role in our daily lives, affecting everything from how we feel to how we perform. It's time we take a closer look at how to give our immune system the boost it needs. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural herbal remedies. These little powerhouses have been used for centuries to help boost immunity and keep us healthy. So, if you're looking to strengthen your defenses against those pesky colds and flus, you're in the right place. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room, modern life. Between the stress of work, the temptation of junk food, and those days when we just can't seem to find time to exercise, our immune systems are taking a hit. Stress can weaken our immune response, while poor diets lack the nutrients we need to stay strong. And let's face it, when was the last time you felt like hitting the gym after a long day? It's tough out there. That's why it's crucial to look for ways to naturally boost our immunity. Thankfully, nature has provided us with some amazing herbs that can help. Now, let's get into the good stuff, our top 10 herbal remedies. First up, we have echinacea. This popular herb is known for its immune-boosting properties, making it great for preventing colds. Next on the list is elderberry, packed with antioxidants and vitamins that can help fight off infections. Then there's garlic, a kitchen staple that not only adds flavor but also strengthens your immune system. Moving on, we can't forget about ginger. This spicy root is fantastic for reducing inflammation and keeping your gut healthy. And there's turmeric, which contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory that supports immune health. Next, we have ashwagandha, an adaptogen that helps your body manage stress, perfect for those hectic days. Don't overlook green tea, either. It's loaded with antioxidants that can enhance immune function. Then, there's licorice root, known for its soothing properties. And last but not least, we have oregano oil, which is great for fighting off viruses and bacteria. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can be easy. Try adding them to smoothies, teas, or even as supplements. Now, here's a little nugget of wisdom for you. Elderberry has been overwhelmingly supported by research as one of the most effective remedies for boosting your immune system. Studies show that it can reduce the duration and severity of flu symptoms. Imagine cutting your sick days in half just by adding this potent berry to your routine. It's a game changer. Alright, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We explored 10 amazing herbal remedies that can help boost your immune system: echinacea, elderberry, garlic, ginger, turmeric, ashwagandha, green tea, licorice root, and oregano oil. Each of these has unique benefits that can help enhance your immune health and keep you feeling your best. So, which herbal remedy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more health tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.